AD Jackson 330 here, and today I am going to be unboxing the VillaBeautifful JetSetter kit, which I am really excited about because this is one of my favorite themes, travel, and some really pretty pinks and blues in the color scheme based off the mood board, so I'm really looking forward to opening this up. So first off, let's look at the pouch that this kit came in this month. We've got the transparent bottom and a really pretty shade of pink for the top with the VillaBeautifful logo. It looks like it's already a little bit worn out, so it probably will wear off over time. This is also a great space to stick some vinyls if you have some vinyls from other shops you like to use. I think that'd be a great way to kind of personalize this pouch a little bit more. But yeah, it fits the entire basic kit inside of it, which is great. You have tons of room to stack all of your pretty makeup or pens or supplies, whatever you want to stick in there. And we have a new item in this month's kit. This is an acrylic charm that's a collab with Simply Me Kish. It's got this really sweet planner shelf illustration on there with planners and a globe and an airplane. And this pink little chain is perfect for popping it onto the Happy Planner discs or Erin Condren coils, rings in a ring bound, or even the strings in a tin. You can even put it on your luggage or your handbag. Lots of great ways to use this really pretty charm. And next up is one of my favorite items in all the kits, the enamel pins. This one, I love the illustration behind it, the little airplane tray that's got the coffee and the phone. But the pin itself is a pink traveler's notebook with some photos popping out. And if you look really close, the airplane charm is glittery. It's so cute. Now, I keep all of my enamel pins on a cork board in my craft room, but this one would also look really good, like stuck to the top of this pouch here, don't you think? And next up, we're going to flip through the smaller journaling cards. Okay, so this first one looks almost exactly like the enamel pin. I love that detail. And the second one says Wanderlust, and this is pretty little packing scene. And then we have this one on a light board that says My Bags Are Packed. And all of these do have the different foil details on there as well. And then we've got Work Hard, Travel Often. And the last one is this really pretty cloudscape that says, Up in the clouds on my way to unknown things. And these are just too gorgeous for words. So we've got a 4x6 and a 5x7. The 4x6 is this really pretty stacked luggage set, and I love this background too. It says, Travel, Enjoy, Return. And then the 5x7, I mean, this globe, come on, that's too cute. It says, Oh, the places you'll go. It does say Dr. Seuss on it. I know that that can be a controversial topic. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should definitely do some research on that. So that could be easily covered up with some washi tape or cut down and then have this layered onto some different paper, which if you got the paper pack, you already have got matching stuff. So that is a great way to still be able to utilize this. And then this next item was one of my favorites from the sneak peek. It is the sticky notes for this month, and it does have a little foiled luggage tag up here that says travel plans. There you go, bring it closer so you can actually see. But I love the shades of pink and gray on this. This is just so cute. And you obviously can write whatever you want here, but this would also be just a great piece of deco to like stick some glue on the back and use that for that purpose too. And next up, we're going to take a look at this month's adhesive pockets. So we get 3 in 3 sizes, which is great. I love the different options. This is the large, this is the medium, and they all do have foiled accents as well. I'm trying to show those in the light. Hopefully they come through. And this is the tiny. So for this one, I would probably stick in those little tiny sampler sheets that shops send out or a washi card. And then for the larger one, obviously you could fit a lot more. This is how just one of the smaller journaling cards fit in there. And you can see how you can still see through the background. And then of course when you peel this back, it is still transparent enough that if you want to line it up on whatever you're sticking it on, you can see plenty well enough to do that. I like to stick these on my dashboards in my planner just to stick in some deco, some notes or lists or things like that. But you can also, if you have like a hardbound cover, stick it on the inside cover. You can use it on dividers if you have like an Erin Condren or Happy Planner recollections, any of those. I also like to laminate cards or paper and stick a tab on top, slap one of these on the front and use it as a page marker, and just, it makes it super easy to move things or deco or whatever it is around in different planners. All right, so next up we have our sticker book. I'm gonna fold this back so we can avoid that glare. I love this. When she showed the sneak peek for these colors and stickers, I mean, it just immediately got my attention. It is so pretty. And this is the matte paper again instead of the glossy, so I'm really, really excited about that. I am the worst about smudging my pens, so I love it when I don't have to use glossy stickers. So this is the foil functional sheet. And then we've got some full boxes, a clipboard, and some quarter boxes down at the bottom. And then a full page of half boxes. And we have some labels here. And I'll just get a little close-up of those. Oh, this is super cute. So these are like some travel itinerary stickers with lots of deco over here. This is really unique. I like this. It's super cute to include. And then we've got the date covers over here, some arrows, more labels, and a couple of tabs. Like you could use these for the page markers I was just talking about. Those would look great on the top to have the whole thing coordinated. And then we've got some checklists and some banners and flags. And then this last page is a new addition as well. This is for hobonichis. I think this is so great and super on trend. I don't personally have a hobonichi, but they also would work great for any kind of smaller planners, like the personal or the mini happy planners. I mean, you can also just use these on like monthly spreads or coordinate them into your regular spread if you just need something extra tiny to add on, which is how I'm gonna use it. I just thought that was really a fun addition to this. And you have the date covers over here too. I swear, y'all are gonna make me get into this hobonichi craze no matter how hard I try to resist. Yeah, I love the sticker book. Next up, we have this month's washi. Of course, I'm gonna have to open this up so we can get a better look because they are the transparent backgrounds, so they kind of blend on top of each other. Let me roll it out just a little bit. So first up, we have the standard size washi, which features transparent background and foiled airplanes doing some loops. This will look really good just like layered on anything. Even these little postcards I have back here, just to add a little bit of foil touches to that. This is really cute. And this is our skinny tape, which features a foiled cloud line. Of course, you can use it at the bottom of your layouts to make everything look like it's above the clouds, or you could flip it upside down, there we go, and then use it like everything is below the clouds. And of course, we have this month's kit pin. This is the JetSetter pin. We've got silver hardware, and then let's get a close-up of those crystals. Hopefully it's focusing. And then I don't even know what to call this shade of the barrel. I mean, from this light, it looks kind of like baby blue mixed with a lavender shade. Whatever it is absolutely stunning. I love this pin. Okay, so next I'm going to show the paper pack. This is the add-on, so during pre-orders you can either buy the basic kit, which is what I just showed you, or the basic kit plus the paper pack add-on, which, trust me, you want if you like to do any kind of paper crafting or making your own dividers, dashboards, page markers, planner covers, bookmarks, anything like that. You want to get this because it matches just perfectly with the kit. So you get 4 sheets of, ooh, I love this one, of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. And those are those designs. And you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper. This month we get 2 vellum. So we have this one with the clouds and airplanes. And then this one with the different luggages. And every month that you pre-order a kit, you'll also get an email with a link to download all kinds of digital content such as clip art, papers, and patterns to create anything you want to match the physical kit. And that does it for this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and if you have any other questions about any of these items, please leave those in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the description for links to VillaBeautifful, my Instagram, plus all of my discount codes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.